guys! Welcome back to my channel! So, my brother just got married this week and medyo na-busy me. I made a vlog actually sa yung wedding day. But for now, I'm gonna share with you their SDE video, meaning their same day edit na video sa whole wedding thing. And then, I'm sharing this kay flex ko lang. Ako aning idea ang motor-motor nila. And I'm so proud of myself. Bitaw, thank you so much for my cousins. I know nahago sila but ni participate kahapon sila. Thank you. And grabe good ang shots. Turned out so good good. Thank you to Team Panda. Excellent job. As in, nice gang video and na happy gid kayo mitanan silang work. And also of course sa photos to Sir Hafid. Enjoy watching.
Would take the blame, worn out the way we let it stay. Taught how to celebrate it all out. I'd replicate your pain, climb down, if only for a taste.
Love is a precious gift which we receive from Jesus. Pure and holy affection is not a feeling but a principle. Nakita ko po mga kapatid na ang relasyon po na ito ay naway hindi po lamang matapos po sa 10 taon. Sana matapos hanggang pagdating ng ating Panginoon.
Halika na, hawakan ang aking kamay at sabay maglakbay. Iwanan na, kalimutan na ang mga problema at sakit na iyong nadama.
Promise, but as a human, usahay, di mo kita ka, di mo ta perfect, but I will try my best to fulfill everything. So I promise to make you the happiest person in the world.
Isasayaw ka sa ulap, damhin ang hangin, ang ihip na nagsisilbing himig natin, kasabay ng tibok ng mga puso natin, nagniningning ang mga bituin.
I can't exactly pinpoint when my heart changed from that point to now. Right now, all I can really do is look at you and thank God for how far He's taken us.
Promise to be sweet. Sweet man ta, pero ito pa na sweet bagay.
Alam ko na, iyong nadarama ang init na dulot ng ating pagmamahal. Whoa!
have only been the beginning, and I can't wait to watch God unfold the plan for the rest of our life. I love you.
Sa ulap damhin ang hangin, ang init na nagsisilbing himig natin, kasabay ng tibok ng mga puso natin.